Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Yeah, so today's a Friday. I'm with Driver Bay, aka Taxi Laundry Services, and
hello guys, hello.
Everywhere assistants. Yeah, so we are going to the mall. Okay, no, we're gonna get Sizzle, aka Adrizi. Then we're going to the mall. We're gonna do a little bit of gift shopping for our friends' birthdays or past birthdays, all that, you know. And what else are we gonna do? We also have to collect a machine for Ice Girls. Yeah. Catering is everywhere assistant, starting a new business, so we'll have to do that as well. So yeah, we are taking you guys with us. What else do you have to do? Yeah, we'll see what happens. The rest is what's gonna happen. Yeah, so catch you later. I'll share dunk pops.
These are the pops. These nuggets.
Can I have like the pops? Yeah, I've seen the advert. It's like a pattern.
Yeah, like the name. It's like it for 1 year. Sure. It's only the nuggets. It's a 27.
Yeah. So guys, we're done.
Yeah.
We are done. My
eyes, guys. I'm tired, but we gotta move.
We got a lot to do. So we're trying to order something by KFC. And then we're gonna head to Tapsish's house. She has a lot of work to do.
Lots and lots of laundry, guys. Bring those clothes. Osamara one. Come on.
Ready
Ready, clean. Give you a fresh smell.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Your carpets.
Yeah.
Yeah, carpets, fur carpets, even, you know, everything.
Bedding, everything.
Your clothes, socks, sports kids. I mean, I know people don't play now, but in case you do,
yeah,
you know, just bring them, okay? Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna do that now. Or after eating.
What can I say?
I guess we decide. We're all right.
Dumelang? Ke kopa bucket for 1.
That's one of my favorite.
Hema di nuggets di tswa di le kae? Di tswa di le kae? Di nuggets. No, ke batla di zinc, di zinc. Le
But you wanna try them again? Check it. Don't village nuggets. These are the nuggets.
Ke eme tsore ba tsenya o tara.
Mo re ke botsa bucket for nuggets.
Are o bata bucket for one ya di-nuggets.
Zing.
Jo ya di-zing.
Ka thigh.
Di le two tsa di-zing. Ye nngwe o tsenya thigh, ye nngwe white meat. Le one ka di-nuggets. Piece e nngwe o lone o ire thigh. So 2 thighs, 1 white meat. Thanks.
Crusher.
Please, especially for the crusher. Hello. What is the crusher?
Mela. Mela. Cheers, schön. Cheers. Hey.
Okay, so wie het daar.
Maybe the lover. Excuse me. Thanks, baby. What a wow. That's another answer. I can't. Now, what's another man of our own wish? We're two dinner. I was in a villa. My merits are mine. Hi, Bo. I have got for 6 years. All the time. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I literally vlogged. Let me put on my seatbelt. I literally vlogged the last time on Friday. We managed to do everything that we had to do. Get the machine and the gifts. We already delivered one, like to one friend. The other one's still waiting. And I did my nails yesterday. What did I get up to? Oh, and yesterday we were busy making food. the roads, so I couldn't vlog the whole day. And then this morning I went to church. Yeah, and then I went home to change with this and passed by Pick n Pay to buy donuts and a pie. I'm with driver for the day. Yeah. What? So now we're heading to the real driver base house. Yeah. So yeah. And I have to eat my donut before we arrive because I can't share. I'm not willing to share. And we didn't have enough money to buy for the whole house. So
That's as real as it gets.
yeah.
Jesus.
What was supposed to eat during the day? I don't know. I don't know. Guys. We can pay donuts. Must have like a price. But
How do people share this?
Hi guys, so today is a Monday and I'm at my friend's house, Driver Bay. Yeah, it's because we're getting ready. We are going for a dinner thing. Yeah, so we're heading over to Cappuccinos for Italian Mondays. So yeah, I just thought I should just let you guys know. Yeah, I haven't vlogged the whole day, but we move. Okay, so I'm just gonna get ready, fix my hair, do a little bit of makeup and get ready, so catch you guys later. So guys, literally we're in the car. We are about to head out and yeah, we're still waiting for Katie and Driver B. Today we have a different driver. Let me show you driver. Say hi. Hi. Anyway, yeah, so this is how I look. I just put my hand up for you. I'm about to put on earrings. So yeah, my little friend over here, I'm so annoyed. The late comer. Hi, Rod.
This is how you fucking look up to a girl's side.
I'm loyal.
It's home. So I'm literally gonna try the seafood pasta for the first time. Guys, I'm not a fan of seafood. I think I once tried sushi, but I was pregnant. Ooh, this smells so bad. I was pregnant, so I wanna try again. So today is video. It's not amazing, but it's not bad.
So it's fine. You can have it like that.
Yo guys, hey, show me. You.
How is it? How about?
I mean, it's not good, but it's also not terrible.
Oh, friends. Really? Motswana. Please, make up show. Let's show the people that we got this. YouTube is watching. The whole country is watching. Honestly, Ruthie. You.
Ruth, you have to swallow. Ruth, you have to swallow.
Okare otiele kubide woman. Countries. Sound cook. I love Okare otiele. Your face is that bad?
It's not though.
Yo.
I really feel like it's not.
No wait. I'm enjoying my pizza.
Hi, but guys. Let me stick to what I know. Let me stick to what I know.
Is it that bad?
I have chicken love with some bacon.
I like seafood. Calamari, baby. Some calamari.
Are you serious? You should.
I love it. I'm enjoying it.
That's why.
This is going to be. I'm actually enjoying the olive. Yes. Hasta ya Indiana. May I taste?
Guys, my friend likes drama.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe this video. And see you in the next video.
I'm gonna go, but let's
Love you guys.